A few years ago, a map was published by Eurostat, part of the European Union Statistics Office, and it was a map of the whole of Europe, except for one thing. Wales was completely left off it. Of course, it was just a publishing mistake, and it was a bit of a joke at the time. We got quite a lot of attention from it. But imagine my horror last week when a long-awaited map was published of the so-called 10T, the new transport network, which is being funded by 26 billion euros over several years. The map was published without one single route in Wales. Even the routes that went from the North Sea down to the Mediterranean and across to Ireland bypassed Wales. So many of us have been working so hard for so many years to make sure that our main routes, our railways, our roads, our ports, our airports are all included in this vital European network, but they weren't. And the reason they weren't was because the UK government didn't put them there. Now, I don't know why the Welsh government weren't demanding that the UK government didn't put them on the map, but what we have now is a situation where we're going to have to really fight to make sure that our routes in Wales are part of what's called the core network, which is a secondary network, which can also get funding, but it'll be a bit harder. So we're all going to have to carry on working together at all levels, in the Assembly, in Europe, in Westminster, and crucially at County Council level to make sure that we do actually get this funding, that we do put Wales first. We're the only party that does that, and yet again this has been proved.